Here's how to check if your router is broadcasting a guest network or not. So the first thing that you're going to do is on the Chrome, put on the configuration IP address that you have on your router. Afterwards, you'll be able to redirect yourself on the TP-Link router that has been registered to you. Now put on the password and click on the login button that you can see after putting your password. Afterwards, you will be redirected on the TP-Link website page. If you see on the right side of the dashboard or on the left side of the dashboard the guest network, it means that your router is broadcasting a guest network. Now, to actually see if it's guest network able, go ahead and press on that. So as you can see, you can enable the access my local network, network isolation, and bandwidth control. So it depends on you if you're going to broadcast your router to a guest network.